A man of faith continues to live happily. Elino Andres is a cancer survivor who is living his life to the fullest. Despite his condition, this 61-year-old runs a rolling store, a convenience store, and provides service for the artificial insemination of pigs. On the side, he sells memorial plans and operates a remittance service for his neighbor's bank loan repayments through Globe Telecom's GCash.
Dahil nga ako'y hindi na matatanggap sa abroad dahil sa sakit, kumuha ko ng motor na hulugan at ako'y naglako po naman ng isda. At naging suki ko nga po yung mga tao sa poultry na inaalo ko ng isda. At nagkaroon po ako ng idea dahil may mga kababaihan, mga nanay na may mga basket na dala, bumibili ng itlog, kumikita din daw sila doon. O nagkaroon po ako ng idea na instead of isda, itlog. Dahil po yung isda ay pag hindi nabili, nasisira po.
Mang Lino came across Nestlé's Business on Wheels. He tried this venture for 2 months but got discouraged by its limitations on location and items that he was allowed to sell. Mang Lino learned the business system and then decided to make it on his own. It was timely that he came to know of Bangko Kabayan. His application was approved with an initial loan of 5,000 pesos, the proceeds of which he used to buy a new motorcycle for his own rolling store.
Goods to go, i-text mo, i-deliver ko. So ayun naging flyer. Pati cellphone number ko po nando doon, pati yung listahan ng product ko, pati presyo.
Because their barangay is far from the central market, the number of regular clientele who would buy and order from Mang Lino's rolling store grew. His hard work paid off. He profits from egg dealership with at least 5,000 pesos per week. From the rolling store, where he usually caters to schools, household, and stores, he expects 250 pesos daily. From the convenience store where his nephew tends to, he gets around 400 pesos daily. From his artificial insemination services, he gets 600 pesos and he gets 35 pesos per GCash transaction. He also charges 8% from the grocery items that are ordered from him by household and store owners.
Tutunan ko rin na madali na mag-open ng tindahan. Kung babagsakan mo muna at hindi mo kukunin yung bayad, sa pag-ikot na sa susunod na schedule, yung bayad o bagsak ulit.
His nephew is his lone employee in his convenience store. He does the rest of the work all by himself. This brings him happiness and fulfillment, especially when driving his rolling store.
Gumanda po yung buhay ko rito dahil na sa paglalako ko ito, marami akong namimit. Iba-ibang klaseng tao. Kailangan pakikipagkapwa-tao din po.
As a born-again Christian, he is among the leaders in their community, preaching to and counseling the youth as well as his peers who need guidance and direction.
Gusto ko mag-aaral ng theology o kung ano man at tuloy itong negosyo dahil wala kayo sa suporta sa pag-aaral mo. Gusto ko mag-ano ng multi-cab and then may proposal na magkakaroon ng market dito sa aming barangay. Gusto ko maka-acquire ng isang pwesto. At the same time, delivery pa rin po.
Hardship and illness did not stop Mang Lino from accomplishing his goals and living his dream.
Sumingi kayo at kayo bibigyan, pumatok kayo, kayo bubuksan. At totoo pong nangyari sa aking buhay ng mga katagang yon.
A living example of the passage, ask and you shall receive. Mang Lino is truly a blessed man who continues to run the streets of Nasugbo until the sun sets down on him. He is an inspiration who will always be remembered.